Okay, so the first thing what I would like to highlight it here around the Copilot, and I will just quickly share my screen and then I will talk a bit around that one. What is being new features coming around the Copilot Studio in the next 2 or 3 months. So all of this, like I'm talking about the release wave one, which can start from the April till May. So in the next 2 months, or in the 2 months of the April and May, you are going to see the Copilot and AI innovation. And here, basically, in the first part, Copilot and the AI innovation, you will get two things there. The first one is the suggested prompt. Second one is the single connector. So in the suggested prompt, basically it automatically add the suggested prompt to the custom copilots. You won't get it into the default one, but if you have a custom copilot which you are building it, you will get a suggested prompt there. The second one is also around the single connector. You can use the single connectors for both the knowledge and the action, which will be again available in the April 2025. The next is the Copilot configuration. There are basically a few things. So the first is basically example, the third-party data extension, where you can enrich the agents with the third-party data using the extensions. We already do have some extension, but you will be getting more and more extensions available there. The next one is the agent discovery and installation. Here you will get, or you can discover and install the agents directly from the Copilot Studio. So you don't have to go to the other platform or the Windows. You can directly install that one. Then apart from that, we also have core authoring. In the core authoring, you can get the enhanced diagnosis. So with this get enhanced diagnosis, it will help you to troubleshoot your agents. The next one, you will get it test and debug. Test and debug agents actions within the Copilot Studio, which will be available from the May 2025. And remember, when you worked on the Copilot Studio, debugging is kind of the pain right now. Not only this, but you also get an action and the knowledge source analysis, which will basically analyze your actions and the knowledge source uses for the custom agent. So these three things you will get it in the May 2025. Then we have an speech and IVR. So with the omni-channel business rules, you can manage the business rules for the omni-channels by using that one, which will be again available during the April and the May. And this feature will be available by the April 2025. It start rolling on from the US region, and maybe in the couple of weeks it will be rolled out for all of the region. So that was the one thing. The second update or the tip I would like to give you around how to become the Copilot power user, one prompt at a time. It is basically great initiative from the product group. So if you would like to, like, imagine this, that you have a 30 days, zero cost, and you can get a maximum productivity by this. So it was an initiative, as I said, by the Microsoft. So Microsoft had launched a fun, interactive 30 days productivity journey to help, and you can get the most of the Microsoft 365 Copilot here. And trust me, it's a worth. What you can get it inside this, you can get a daily hands-on tips to work smarter, not harder. Although hard work is not bad, but a smart work is just a cherry on the cake. Then you can get the fun challenges to explore the real life AI superpowers. And not only this, a free journey that level up to your productivity in no time. And I think I'm not sure if did I mention that at the end of this, you will get a badge which is waiting for you if you finish the lineup. How you can start with, so you can start, you can see it's in the different time. So week one you can get managed in time, and then you have few stuff to be done here. Then you can go for the supercharge my creativity again, week two with some additional exercises here. Then on the week three, expand my expertise, you are getting a more and more enriched there, and you will get how to boost your knowledge, improve this documentation, spot trends, and so on. Then enhance collaboration and or enhancing collaboration, you will find the right questions, like all of this prompting. So this all are near to the prompting or around the prompting, how to summarize what happened and draft an agenda around that one. Then you can use the Copilot agents, how to use it, like select the prompt coach, select idea coach, select a visual creator, and at the end of that, like journey, apply your skill with the best practices for the prompt, create custom agent, scenario library, and that's all. And then after that, you can dream up your destination and at the end get your badges to your profile. A great way to showcase your journey, free of cost. I don't think so. There should be any kind of the problem there. And I do have 1 minute left, but I would not try to limit to the Copilot into this area. But I would really like to say something around AI agents for the beginner. This is again a course designed by the Microsoft, and you can enrich a lot of the things there. 10 lesson teachings, everything you need to know to start building the AI agents. It is available on the GitHub. You will get both of these URLs in the chat section right now. Also, once the video will be processed, you will get in the video descriptions these URLs. So please keep your eye there. A great way to start it, a great outcome by putting your a small effort, but a great result. And in my view, I don't mind to just to just go through and explore yourself with the new dimension around that area. So that is all from my end.